You know, it's a good thing you're my granddaughter. Because your auntie and your daddy were never allowed to sit on the table. You see what grandparents do for their grandchildren? Look at you. You're on top of the kitchen. Anything to say?
Yes.
What?
I love you and I'm sorry for being bad to you. And let me think.
Let me think. You were bad to me today?
Yeah.
What did you do?
I was yelling at you, like pushing, going, letting you. In the basement, I was letting you too.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
All right. I'm glad you're sorry.
Goodbye.
Okay. Goodbye.
Kiss you, man.
I love you.
I love you.